Hi and welcome back to Auckland Children's Physio. Today we're going to go through how to teach your child to do sit-ups. I normally expect most children about 7 years of age to be able to do a sit-up without any help. So this means not holding onto their feet, not having their feet tucked under the bottom of the couch, but they should be able to just roll themselves up into a sit-up. Now it is important to not do too many sit-ups as well, because we do know that children and adults who have six packs, and when you see lots of really tight tummy muscles, it's not good for their breathing, and it's also not good for their actual digestive system, so it can lead to constipation. So we just want to be able to do some sit-ups that allow you to actually be able to perform that action if you had to.
Let's get into it. So the first two examples are when we do a sit-up, we don't want to use too much speed, so that's momentum to get ourselves up, or use our hands to grab or grasp our legs to pull ourselves up. We need to use our tummy. To strengthen our rectus abdominis, which is our six-pack muscle, we're going to target it three different ways. We're going to do slow reclines, static holds, and then practice crunchies, which leads into sit-ups. If you find sitting up a bit challenging, try the knee hug rock up whenever you need to get up to start the position again. We're on to warm-ups. Just practice a few rolls backwards and forwards, holding onto your knees, keeping your back nicely round. We're going to start with slow reclines. Most kids can manage this way easier than doing a sit-up. Have your hands out in front of you and lower yourself down slowly, ideally 3 to 4 seconds, but if you can do 5, that would be great. And repeat 6 to 12 times, depending on how easy you find it. This works the muscle by lengthening it, so it still works the same muscle, the six-pack muscle or rectus muscle that we need in sit-ups. Let's try the next exercise. This is called static holds. In static holds, you're going to work into the range that you can already do. So start sitting up, lean back, find a point you can hold at, and then get yourself back up into sitting. Vary the angle, trying each time to get a bit lower to the mat. Next up is crunchies. So this is half a sit-up. Practicing crunchies and sit-ups actually gets the muscles super strong, even though it is more challenging. Keep looking between your legs as you roll up. Try and reach for the top of your knees and then lower back down. As you get stronger, try and reach past, getting your wrists to touch your knees. Here we go, onto sit-ups. If you're finding it too hard to come all the way up, get mum or dad or somebody else to help. There's literally a little bit of pressure on the back of your hands to help you when you get stuck at that point. If you're doing them on your own, slide your hands up your legs or either side. This is the easiest to start with. As you get stronger, cross your hands across your chest, and as you become an expert, put your hands behind your head. If you have your hands behind your head, your fingers are just touching, no pulling on your neck. After completing all the exercises with the set numbers, either roll onto your tummy or lie on your back and have a big stretch out. For more videos or information on child development, check out Auckland Children's Physio.